See, yeah.
This is someone snoring in my house because we had a party last night. Sounds like a fucking motorbike. I will see in a minute when he wakes up. God, that is so weird. Why is his snoring sounding like a motorbike? And to prove to you no one's on the motorbike, there's motorbikes down there. And there's also a car, another person.
Oh, and hey guys. Also, I think that's why his wife moved house. Because that's snoring.
In China, there's this thing that stops you from snoring.
Go to China, Edward.
But we don't have enough money to go to China. I wouldn't go to China just to buy that anyway. Go on eBay or something. Much easier. That's what it hurts. My arm is like span around just to film.
Hey guys, it's been raining yesterday.
Oh, well done, Jack, because I think they would know that. You don't need to talk about weather.
Yeah, we had cake yesterday.
I don't think they'll be surprised. It's a party. Lots of parties have cake. God.
Hey guys, don't hear how old my dad is.
No. I'm 37. I don't think they care about how old and all this we've been talking about, Jack. Yes, I am laying down. You can see my legs. I have legs. I didn't know that. Legs. 2 legs. 1, 2. I'm not an alien. I have 2 legs.
Aliens have 2 legs.
They can have 1. On the cartoon you watch, they bounce around.
That's a small T-Rex. That's a baby T-Rex.
No, on the cartoon you watch, they used to watch anyway, they had springs as legs. There's also this number thing. I have no idea what that's called.
Number ones?
Hmm?
I think it's called number thing.
Anyway, goodbye.
Bye.
This isn't what I'd normally post on YouTube, but I just decided I wanted to post it.
Bye. See you guys later.
And please subscribe.
Goodbye.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Oh. Say again.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Our channel? Yeah. Oh, it's my channel. Oh. Goodbye.
No, it's done. It's done. I knew it.